Book, book, book. Oh, yeah.
Visiting these orphanages is a part of my tour program in connection with the aid of Raj Bhavan to needy institutions like old age home, children's home, orphanage. And I am visiting the hospital also. In my second schedule, after 1 year, I am thinking to aid to patients more. Inside, I am visiting all the hospitals also. Here all systems are there, very good service they are rendering. And in my state, Kerala and other states, for dialysis, they are charging. Suppose a person is coming under that category dialysis, they will have to 2 times or 3 times in a week, they will have to go for a dialysis. Charge levied in various prices, according to my information, it may 1,500 to 2,000. Here freely under the Deen Dayal scheme, it is freely given. It's a very good thing. I saw that department also, so many patients are getting solace and relief out of that. All such things are there. I am congratulating the doctors here and government of Goa for maintaining such an institution with great service mind is there.
Thank you, sir.